What if the supplement being promoted as a complete liver repair solution isn't exactly what it seems? Purelia Liver Supplement has been gaining attention online with bold promises about supporting liver health, improving liver function, and even helping people struggling with fatty liver concerns. But when we looked closer at the product, the results were far more complicated than the marketing suggests. Purelia contains ingredients commonly found in many liver support supplements, including milk thistle, NAC, and other antioxidant compounds that have been studied for their potential role in supporting overall liver wellness. However, there is currently no publicly available clinical evidence proving that Purelia itself can repair liver damage, reverse fatty liver disease, or deliver the dramatic transformations featured in some promotional materials. Many of the success stories associated with the product describe rapid improvements and life-changing results that may not reflect the typical experience of most users. Another concern is that several reviews and testimonials appear to exist primarily on promotional pages, making independent verification difficult. The marketing also relies heavily on urgency tactics such as limited time discounts, countdown timers, and bulk purchase offers, which can encourage quick buying decisions before consumers have fully researched the product. While the ingredient list is not unusual in the supplement industry, some experts argue that the benefits of these ingredients are often exaggerated when marketed as complete solutions. Additionally, questions have been raised about product branding, pricing, and whether consumers are receiving value that matches the premium cost. Some buyers have also reported dissatisfaction with results and concerns regarding recurring billing programs. Based on the available information, Purelia Liver Supplement does not appear to be an outright scam, but the evidence supporting many of its strongest claims remains limited. As always, consumers should carefully evaluate marketing promises, review independent sources, and consult a qualified healthcare professional before relying on any supplement for serious liver-related concerns.